Hi guys, amidst all the chaos that is happening right now in our country and even all around the world, Source has asked me to give you all a message, and I know some of y'all might get triggered by this message, but know that this is something that y'all maybe need a reminder about. Okay, the first thing that is coming up is that focus on the now. Focus on what you have right now. Be grateful of all that you have right now. There are many people who are fighting at the border for us, and we have no control over that. We can't go and fight the war for them. We can't do anything at this moment except for sending them good energy and praying for them. And if we keep focusing on the present and on the good things, we will attract that into our lives. If we keep thinking that the bomb will come towards us or something, they will attack us or we will die, and that will be your reality. So as a collective, I am here to remind you all to start focusing on the good things. Focus on the now. Focus on what all you have. Focus on the fact that you got to wake up in the morning, you got to see the sun, you got to see your family members or meet people and go to work. And there are so many things that are going right for you. Some things that are going wrong for you or wrong for us is out of our control. By focusing on the wrong, we are attracting more bad situations. By focusing on the good, we are attracting a good reality. So as a collective, I encourage you to focus on what is going right for you. Maybe do the write down 3 things you are grateful for. Focus on the things that is working out right now. Like maybe there could be a chance that if we all collectively think positively, maybe things will not go out of hand because we collectively focused on the good. So that is why I am encouraging you all to do that. I feel like all of us have been doing the work for this very day, to not focus on the things that are going wrong, but to focus on the right so that we can attract the right. And another thing that I also am getting is that the Matrix wants us to be in survival mode. That is one of the reasons the Matrix sent this war and sent all this chaos around us. And by keeping us in survival mode, we will keep getting scared, fearful, we'll have limiting beliefs, we will not be able to live a life fully. So to break out of the Matrix, I want you to do I want you to find the silver lining in this situation. Focus on the things, make more time for the people you love, make more time for things you love doing. The more you do the things that you love doing, the more we will attract that into our reality. Maybe tomorrow they might just announce that there is no war, we are everything is going to go fine, just because you are one of them who is focusing on the positive, who is giving out good energy to the universe, who's praying for betterment of our country, who's praying for things to go good and in our favor. And because of that, things will turn into our favor. There's a high chance of that. And I don't know if you can hear, but there's some noise happening around us. That is exactly what the war is. It's the noise outside. Go inwards. Go inwards. It's all in the mind. It's all inside. So if you want to create a good reality, it has to be internally good. So try and focus on good things. If you focus on good things, you will attract good things.